Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Saher. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am shooting an intro for a random vlog, and in this vlog, you will see me cleaning shoes, polishing wood, doing some very random stuff. So yeah, I hope you like the video. I hope I keep it short, and I hope you guys subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on the bell notification button and share it with your friends and family members. So let's start with the vlog, shall we?
I arranged all of these, but I forgot to take a clip. This is the aftermath, and these many are still remaining, which there was no space, but I did manage to add some more of them over here, as you guys can see. So, this is the final result, and now let's close it and move on to the next one, next paste.
Okay guys, अंधेरा होगा, बारिश हो रही है. I have नो अदर ऑप्शन बट मैं ये जो रैक है उसको आधा खाली कर चुकी हूँ. एंड यहाँ पे सारे पिलो कवर्स, बॉन्स्टर कवर्स वगैरह थे, तो इसको खाली करके शूज़ रख रही हूँ. पहले की क्लिप में आपने देखा होगा कि मैंने थोड़ा बहुत उस वाले कवर्ड को सॉर्ट आउट कर लिया था. अभी यहाँ पे शूज़ रखना है, तो यही मैं सॉर्ट कर रही थी, तो सोचा कि ब्लॉग का थोड़ा सा क्लिप ले लूँ. लेट मी शो यू व्हाट आई हैव डन सो फार. I have filled one bag with the covers, and then there is the second bag that I have filled with covers, ones that are remaining. अभी वही मैं करते बैठ रही थी, and I realized कि oh shoot, I didn't even take the video recording. I could have, right? I'm just organizing, decluttering my stuff. Not my stuff, it's my mom's stuff, and I'm just trying to make space for my stuff as well, because I don't have any other place to keep other than this. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, you guys. And इसमें सारे दुपट्टेज हैं ये वाले ड्रॉयर्स में. मैं दिखाऊंगी. Can you see there are all stoles and dupattas in it? मैं ऊपर से दिखाऊंगी. Okay, I'm just sitting down. So yes, that's all I'm doing. What are you guys doing this particular monsoon? यहाँ पे बारिश हो रही है. एवरी डे एटलीस्ट 1 आवर बारिश तो होती है, इफ़ नॉट कंटिन्यूसली, बीच बीच में होती रहती है. एंड या just planning to kind of fit it all of these into these 2 bags, because थर्ड बैग के लिए बहुत छोटा हो जाएगा, मतलब बहुत कम कपड़े बचेंगे. So that is why I'm trying to fit everything in this itself, but I don't think I can push any further. Stuffed to the brim. Still about to have lunch. I woke up pretty late and I didn't have my breakfast yet. Need to go have some nomis. This is all that can fit, otherwise it will tear. So let me close it. Okay, this bag is heavy. Okay, let me see if I can stuff some in these. I know there is some space. Over here, it's a matter of few more pieces. So yeah, these are all big pillow covers of mom's, so just need space for 2 more. Please fit ho jao. Please fit ho jao. I think we should be good. Think so. I don't know where Mama is gonna keep this, so I have no idea. शी जस्ट टोल्ड मी कि ये ऑर्गेनाइजर्स में डाल दो, बट मैं उसका बाद देख लूँगी. दीज ऑर्गेनाइजर्स आर वेरी फ्लिमजी. मीशो से लिए थे. इफ़ यू रिमेंबर एक ब्लॉग में मैंने दिखाया भी था. तो दीज आर वेरी फ्लिमजी. ये बहुत जल्दी टेयर हो जाते हैं. आई थिंक समवेयर यहाँ पे देखो केम डैमेज्ड like that itself. So I'm just gonna keep them aside and keep all the shoes right here. Can you see? Yeah, all the shoes, and I am going to be arranging them in pairs. Do we keep white ऊपर रखेंगे ना, इसके ऊपर कुछ भी रखेंगे तो फिर then they will be floating. So keep the darker ones. See, I'm just keeping it. I should have got my ring light also. तो मैं यहाँ पे darker pairs रख रही हूँ. First I have to find pairs of everything because एक shoe मिल रहा है मुझे. This is the Puma one, okay. Another pair. These ones are mine. These ones are homes. Got another pair. Darker page over here because then look aesthetic. I don't know how I'm gonna fit all of these over there, but then should be a professional organizer. I fit everything like neatly and nicely. Now we will close this. We are done. My mom, I hope she's proud of me. Told you these are all the stores, so I don't know what she's gonna do with that, because if she gives me space in here, I can keep something else, but then I don't know if she has the space or not. So here also there are some stores for hijabs and everything. So yeah, that is pretty much it. This wipe is done. Finito. This one.
नेक्स्ट टास्क जो मम्मी ने मुझे दिया was to polish some of the furniture. मैं 2 ही करवाई because it took a lot of time than I thought and anticipated. So this is how I do it. I take a little bit of oil, especially coconut oil, and then I just go over.